permit handling in Ontario is a ridiculous process, with most municipalities taking anywhere between 12 to 35 months in some cases. And yet the government of Ontario says that it should be a 60-day process. And so, being the entrepreneur that I am, I found a problem to solve, a way to solve it, and I created a solution. In the last 2 weeks, I literally built a software as a service completely from scratch using AI. I'm going to show you what Permit Fix is, what it does, who it helps, and how we are currently marketing it and selling. And if you want to learn how you can do the same, go ahead and click the link in my bio for you to learn how to package your own expertise and knowledge, create a digital asset, and sell it online in 48 hours. So this is Permit Fix. The goal is to help people get the permit approved the first time. And this is the landing page. Pretty simple. We have a little calculator here showing how much it costs developers, architects, and builders on a 6-week process, whereas, it would cost them $23,000 in 6 weeks for a $1.2 million house. For one compliance report, it costs $77. We show them the steps. It's simple. Upload. We auto map it. We figure out what municipality it's in. We have that municipality bylaw, and then we give them the exact fix and a report they can download. We have pricing here, some violations that typically get sent back, a little bit of a table comparing different options that they have, some testimonials, and then FAQ. They can click login, and then this is the back end. After they log in, they can create a new project here. They can open an existing project, and they get their entire building compliance review, notes, critical items, what's already working, what's currently compliant, with actual citations based on the specific building code. So in this case, Town of East Gwillimbury, this is the citation. We fix dimensions, let them know what's working, what's not working, what's advisory, and what's critical, what's unverified, etc. And they can generate a report here, click download, and then this is what they get. A beautiful, nicely packaged, building compliant report that they can use to then fix their permit before they send it in. Now, I was able to build this in 48 hours to have my minimum viable product and ship it within a week, getting customers through this thing. I'm currently marketing it in 3 ways. Number 1 is LinkedIn ads. Targeting specific user I think would be most beneficial for us. Number 2 is LinkedIn cold outreach. I guess 4 ways. Number 3 is cold DMs and cold calls to architecture firms, governments, municipalities, and people who would benefit from this. And then number 4 is advertisements on Google. The entire reason I'm telling you this is because the barrier to entry right now is so low to be able to create and package and sell a digital asset online, and AI can streamline the process and make it so much quicker. So here's a step-by-step process that I used and that you can use. And I call it the AI offers sprint, because in 48 hours, I was able to create the minimum viable product and ship it. So step 1 is the product idea. I always say a product or a service or even a business in general exists to solve a problem. Businesses don't exist to make money. They exist to solve problems, and the byproduct of solving problems is then making money. So what problem do you want to solve? In this case, it is helping people get their permits approved the first time and not get them rejected due to stupid reasons and bureaucracy. Great. So I have a problem. Now, how can I fix that problem? What is the solution that I am creating for that problem? In the case, it is an AI that has all the building codes in its system, cross-references them according to what people send. So we analyze their documents, show what's compliant, show what's non-compliant by cross-referencing according to the municipal and provincial building codes in Ontario. And then we give them a report. It's that simple. So after I built the minimum viable product using Claude Code, I used Google Gemini to help me come up with some deep research into the market, statistics and pain points, and the language that my ideal client would use. That helped me build the marketing. I then used Lovable to help me build the front end landing page, so that when people get there, it's nice, it's clean, they know exactly what they're getting in their language. Claude Code plus Railway plus GitHub. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's actually quite simple to create the back end of the product. And there we had our minimum viable product. And the crazy thing is, I'm not a coder. I've never done this before. All I did was ask SWA every step of the way, teach me step by step what to do. Can you help me figure this out step by step process? Yeah, it's a lot of information. It's a lot to do, but you don't have to be confident in doing it all. You have to be confident in knowing you will figure the next step out and do the next step and just keep going with that. And today we have a full business. So if you want to learn how you can do this too, take your expertise, your knowledge, or even if you have a problem that you want to solve for someone or something, package it using AI, streamline the process, create a digital asset and sell it go ahead and click the link in my bio. I'll walk you through exactly how you can do this exact same thing in 48 hours. It's 97 bucks. I think it's pretty good considering the fact that you can start a whole business with this. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments.